Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canon printer to Android tablet, quick fix step by step clearly. Start by turning on your Canon printer. Ensure that your Android tablet is also powered on. Navigate to the settings menu on your Android tablet. Look for the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth option in the settings. If using Wi-Fi, select the Wi-Fi option to see available networks. Locate your printer's name in the list of Wi-Fi networks. Tap on your printer's name to connect to it. If prompted, enter the printer's password to establish a connection. If you're using Bluetooth instead, go to the Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. From the list of available devices, find your Canon printer. Tap on the printer's name to pair it with your tablet. Once connected, open the document or image you want to print on your tablet. Tap on the Share or Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or lines. Select the Print option from the menu. Choose your Canon printer from the list of available printers. Adjust any print settings as needed, such as paper size or number of copies. Finally, tap on the Print button to send your document to the printer. Wait for the printing process to complete before retrieving your printout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.